up, y'all? JazzJanay here, and today, well, tonight, I'm going to be showing y'all how I get my braid out. Very simple, very quick. This is just something that I have been doing every night. Just, you know, give my hair a little break from the wash and goes and putting product on it and stuff. So I just do this little technique. It's super easy, super fast, something you can do every night, and I'm gonna show y'all. Right now I'm just drinking me some peachy green tea, and I have honey and lemon in it. It's like 10:30 at night. It's Friday. I got off work, I came in and took a nap, and now I feel like I'm gonna be up all night. But I did my skincare routine, I got my candle going, I have my music playing, but we don't want to get copyrighted. So yeah, so let's get into this tutorial. This is hair that's just wet. Well, it's semi-wet, but I'm gonna wet it down again and just detangle it. So I'm gonna take my little rose hairspray bottle. I mentioned this in my favorites video. So I'm just going to go through my hair and apply the Mielle leave-in conditioner. This was also mentioned in my favorites. Care is my favorite leave-in conditioner, but I feel like Mielle does the exact same thing. The only difference between the two is the price point. Mielle is a little bit more expensive. So yeah, I just go through my hair with the leave-in conditioner just to give it a little bit of moisture. I really make sure I get the back, because that's where my hair is the driest, because I lay on my back when I go to sleep sometimes, so it can get the driest back there sometimes. So I'm just gonna go through and detangle with a wide tooth comb, and I put my hair in sections to detangle it just so it'll be easier. And I start from the bottom detangling and work my way up. For this style, you want your hair to be as smooth as possible. So I'm gonna take my brush that I got from Sally's, my detangler brush, and just go through my hair just to make sure it's all smooth. I love this brush. You want your hair smooth so you can have some definition. So now I'm gonna go in with the Mielle Pomegranate and Honey Twist and Souffle. This is gonna be my first time using this, so it's kind of like a review on this as well. Like I said, I want to get into using different products and trying out different products on my channel, just so people with you know, the same hair texture as me can go and try to find different stuff. I have low porosity hair. I really don't want to tighten my curls because I feel like they're different all over, so I'm not even going to try to type it because I don't have time for nobody to be coming for me. Somebody already tried to come for me, so I'm just not going to try to tighten my curls. And now I'm gonna go in with a real old product. This was when I first started YouTube, but this is the Goddess Curls Botanical Gel. I haven't used this in so long. I used to use this when I used to wear twist outs all the time, my twist and curl sets. So I'm gonna try to use this for this braid out just to see if it'll give me a little bit more definition. So what I deal with a lot of frizziness in this area right here. So I want to make sure I put extra product in that area. And I'm gonna actually take my dimming brush and just brush through that area underneath, because that's where it seems like I get the most frizziness at. Now I'm gonna just take my hair and just start braiding it. And just curl it at the end with your finger, just so it can have a little bit of definition. So I'm gonna go over on this side and do the exact same thing. Okay, so done braiding it up. You kind of wanna make sure they're neat, because sometimes I let these braids stay in for 2 or 3 days, but I'm probably not gonna let it stay in for 2 or 3 days this time. I'm probably take it out in the morning because we have some errands to run in the morning. So I'm just taking my 24-hour edge tamer in the cream by Eben in the flavor peaches, and I'm just taking my little edge comb by Eben and just do my edges right quick. I need to apply my oil. So this is the Main Choice Growth Oil. I've been using this for some months now, and I love this oil. I love it, I love it, I love it. So I just apply that all throughout my head. I use that oil probably every night, and I think I'm getting my money's worth for it. My hair has grown tremendously. I need to do a link check video. That's what I need to do, just to show y'all how much my hair has grown. But yeah, I'm gonna just tie it back up, then I'm gonna go to sleep. And I'll see you guys in the morning. Bye. So, slept on my hair. I had it tied down and stuff like that. Now I'm just take some jojoba oil and just coat my hands with it. And just... So, #1 tip for a braid out, you want to make sure your hair is 100% dry. 100% dry. So mine was a little damp this morning, so I took it to the blow dryer and I just stretched it and just took the blow dryer and went up and down like that on it, and then just continued to do like my morning routine and stuff like that. So now I'm gonna just take it down. and it's still a little damp. I hate that. So this is how it looks before it's picked out. So now I'm gonna just take my handy dandy pick and just go on the roots and start picking it out. So that's how one side looks. Now we're gonna go to the other side. Do you see the difference? Picked out, not picked out. And it would have been so much prettier if it was 100% dry. You don't want it to be damp like how mine is damp right now, because that creates frizz, especially when you're picking it out. But I'm in a rush this morning. I don't have time to really dry my hair. I may take the diffuser to it a little bit, and then I'll come back and show you guys. Okay, I'm gonna take the diffuser to it just to get it a little bit more dry, and then I'll be back. Okay, so I diffused it. Just take my pick and pick out the roots some more. I think I wanna put this braid out as a complete fail. But we're just gonna rock with it today because I don't really have time to do anything else to my hair. It looks halfway decent. It looks decent enough to wear out. So that's what I'm gonna do. So this is the finished product. I would say, once again, complete fail, but I think I'm gonna upload this video anyway, just so y'all can learn from my mistakes. Probably what I would do differently, I would probably not wet my hair down as much. I'll probably let it be damp, and I won't apply as much product, because I guess in those two braids it makes it a lot harder to dry. I still want to do the 2 braid method and stuff like that because it's very fast, but maybe I'll do another method on my channel to where I do more than 2 braids and compare those results. So let's do a little slow-mo.